Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. Boy, isn't that an awesome sight? That's right. We are ready to head out to the car show. Let's get going. Pump, coolant system. We'll hold her at 65 for a while and see how she does. Don't want to over rev the engine. I need to make it there. If I make it there, we can do a little fun once we're there. But I want to make it there so be responsible and help out with stuff, you know? So I literally have 15 miles on this engine swap. I swapped it at 46,550 and then 46,565. What is the temp this morning? It's cool. 63 degrees. Woo! Tell you what, the last couple of days it's been in the 90s. It's gonna be, I think, 90 again today. High 80s at least. So this is kind of refreshing to drive in this temperature right now. Well, a little concerned about the temp earlier. I've never had it above half at all because I always modify my water pumps. This one is running with the needle above half. This is the temp sender that I had in the other one. So, you know, I know it to be the same range. Yeah, a little concerned, but it's not climbing anymore. It stopped climbing now. On my way home this afternoon, that might be a problem. Alright, this is always a goofy intersection because people can be coming through here kind of fast.
In 600 feet, turn right onto 395th Street. Turn right onto 395th Street.
This used to be tar. What the heck? Well, not tar. This used to be concrete. For many, 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 many years. It was really old concrete. Let's take her nice and slow. Boy, if I had a new paint job, I'd be mad, huh? Must have needed replacing and they just decided to not bother. Dug it up and left the base. Here we go. Here's the old road. Yeah. Here's the old concrete. I'm driving down kind of the middle here because that seam there, it's nasty, that seam. Alright, now we can kind of get over it. They warned about rough road, but not a rough road on the gravel. That's funny. I made it 15 minutes early. I used to come out here and fly my model airplanes all the time. So before they had restrictions on drones and stuff like that at airports. Alright, so we're getting the cars parked out here. We've got the first area all filled up and they're kind of going around the backside. What a beautiful day out here at Sauk Center Airport for a pancake breakfast. And yeah, I'll take you around and show you the cars here in a minute. So B3 Catering is providing the breakfast this morning. So they're doing a good job for us. And I'm going to show you the cars now. So now that there's music in the background.
This little grass runway here is where I learned to fly model airplanes. And they've got the main runway out here. They actually have a taxiway now. Sauk Center is an uncontrolled airport. So you have to kind of coordinate on the radio. Who's coming in, who's going out. Alright, looks like they might have coordinated clearance here. Just beyond him. There we go, back there. It's going to take off. We just got a really light side wind today. Maybe 3 miles an hour. It's not much. Alright, we've got an airplane on approach here.
down in Alabama in April for training.
Okay.
That's when I started working.
Okay. Here we go.
He gets up right away.
Oh yeah.
After last night, at 10 o'clock at night.